What if I told you something you own is priceless? It's more valuable than gold, more than oil. It's something you use every single second. What is it? It's your attention. Sounds crazy, right? But today, your attention is the world's top asset. This video shows you why, and how to use its amazing power. Let's unlock the secret value of your attention. So, why is attention suddenly so important? We live in a noisy world. Information is everywhere. Phones, TV, internet. It's like an information waterfall. Our brains can only handle so much. Think about it. You only have so much focus. This makes your attention super rare. And rare things are valuable. This is the attention economy. It's a new world. Companies, apps, and ads all want a piece of your time. They want your eyeballs, your clicks, your focus. Your attention is like a currency. They make money when you pay attention, so they fight hard for it. This changes everything. It changes how we live. It changes how we work. Understanding this is key. Okay, so it's rare. But why is it so valuable? First, attention drives money. The entire advertising world, it runs on attention. Ads need your eyes to work. Creators on YouTube or TikTok or anywhere online, they build careers by holding your attention. More attention means more views, more support. Think about buying something. You first need to notice it, right? No attention means no sales. Simple. Second, attention creates influence. Want to change the world? Start a movement? You need people's attention. Think of great leaders or important causes. They captured attention to make big things happen, even for you personally. A strong personal brand comes from attention. People notice you. They listen to you. This opens doors to new chances. Third, attention is vital for learning and growth. Want to learn a new skill, like coding or playing guitar? You need to focus deeply. This is called deep work. It's where real learning happens. It's how you solve hard problems. It's how you create amazing things. Without focused attention, progress is slow. Even personal growth needs attention. Understanding yourself, your feelings, that needs you to pay attention inward. And fourth, attention boosts your well-being. Ever feel super stressed and scattered? Mindfulness helps. It's about guiding your attention, being present in the moment. This calms your mind, reduces anxiety. Also, think about your relationships. Truly listening to someone? Giving them your full attention? That's a powerful gift. It builds strong connections, deeper friendships. It shows you truly care. So, attention is amazing, but there's a big problem. Our attention is constantly under attack. Think about your phone. Ping, notification, another ping, new email, new message, social media scrolls endlessly, news alerts pop up. It's a constant battle for your focus. This is not by accident. Many apps are designed to be addictive. They use tricks to keep you hooked. Clickbait headlines scream for your click. Outrageous posts try to get a reaction. What's the result? We get easily distracted. Our focus shatters into tiny pieces. It's harder to concentrate. Productivity drops. We make more mistakes. It can take 20 minutes to refocus after one interruption. Imagine that happening all day. This isn't just about work. It affects our happiness, our peace of mind. We feel overwhelmed, anxious, tired. This is the downside of the attention fight. The good news? You can fight back. You can reclaim your attention. You can be the boss of your focus. How? Here are some simple but powerful tips. First, practice mindfulness. Simply notice where your attention goes. When you get distracted, gently bring it back. Meditation apps can help you start. Even a few minutes a day makes a difference. Second, manage your technology. Your phone doesn't have to control you. Turn off notifications for most apps. Seriously, do you need to know right now? Schedule specific times to check emails or social media, not every 5 minutes. Create tech-free zones or times, like during dinner or before bed. Third, embrace single tasking. Multitasking is a myth. Your brain works best on one thing at a time. Focus on one task. Finish it, then move to the next. You'll do better work, faster. Fourth, be intentional. Your attention is valuable, remember? So, choose wisely where you spend it. Before you click or watch or listen, ask, is this worth my precious attention? Is this helping me or just wasting time? Learn to say no to distractions. Protect your focus like a treasure, because it is a treasure. So, what have we learned today? Your attention is incredibly powerful. It's a key resource in this digital age. It shapes your money, your influence, your learning, and even your happiness. The world wants your attention, constantly. But you are in control. You have the power to choose. You can decide where your focus goes. This isn't about becoming a productivity robot. It's about living a more intentional life. A life where you direct your energy, where you achieve what matters to you. Small changes in how you manage attention. They lead to big results. Imagine feeling less distracted, more focused, more present. That's totally possible. It starts with valuing your attention and taking small steps to protect it. You can build a more focused, fulfilling life. Here's your challenge this week. Pick one tip we talked about. Just one. Maybe it's turning off some notifications or trying to focus on one task at a time. Try it for 7 days. See how you feel. Also, take a moment each day to ask, where did my attention really go today? You might be surprised by the answer. This awareness is the first step to change. That's all for today's look at the amazing value of attention. I hope this helped you see your focus in a new light. It truly is one of your greatest superpowers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more people. And if you want more tips on living well in the digital age, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. We've got lots more content coming your way. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge with attention? Or do you have a great tip for staying focused? Share it in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Next week, we'll be diving into activating your boss mode to proactively complete your tasks. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, your attention is valuable. Use it wisely. See you in the next video.